Stop right now if you're stuck watching your portfolio shrink, feeling like you're missing the real move while everyone else seems to be printing money. You're grinding, juggling stocks, bonds, crypto, and what? Nothing feels steady. The market's a beast, unpredictable, violent, draining your will. Deep down, you know that plain old asset flipping isn't cutting it anymore. You want something solid, something more reliable, yet explosive enough to actually crush the market. You've probably heard whispers, real estate investment trusts, or REITs, those things everyone talks about like there's some safe bet on the sidelines. But here's the brutal truth. Most REITs are just glorified real estate funds, tempting you with fat dividends while the market keeps eating your gains alive. They float there, stable maybe, but do they actually outperform? Hell no, not the way you need them to. You want the answer that stops the bullshit, so here it is. REITs can blow the market out of the water, but only if you play the game smarter than 99% of investors. First, drop the idea you're buying real estate exposure. That's amateur hour. You're buying access to property managers, developers, and operators who need to be ruthless and creative. If their deal flow isn't razor sharp, you're just shoveling cash into a slow-moving asset wrapped in shiny packaging. Look for REITs with active strategies, not those sitting on cookie-cutter office parks collecting rent. Find ones investing in explosive growth sectors, industrial warehouses for e-commerce, data centers powering our digital world, or specialized gaming properties. These aren't your dad's real estate plays. They're tapping actual human behavior shifts that aren't reversible. That's where you wreck traditional market returns. Second, leverage is your weapon. Don't run from it. Yes, debt can kill you in a downturn, but in the right hands, it's a multiplier. The best REITs use smart, manageable leverage to expand aggressively when markets shake others loose. Investors freeze, deals get cheaper. You want managers who jump in, grab assets, and scale like there's no tomorrow. Passive REITs? They cringe at debt. Winners harness it and use market fear as fuel. Third, dive into the numbers like a killer. This means digging deep into funds from operations, FFO, net asset values, debt maturity schedules. Don't settle for flashy dividend yields. They're mostly noise if the REIT can't grow or worse, is bleeding cash. A fat yield with stagnant growth is just a trap. You want a REIT with consistent FFO growth and increasing NAV, signaling that underlying assets are gaining true worth, not just paper revenue. This is how you spot the real outperformers before everyone else jumps on board. Fourth, don't trust the market's blind spots. REITs in overlooked geographies or niche industries often get crushed by ignorance. That's where you find unfair pricing simply because others don't understand the potential. Hunt those obscure sectors, healthcare facilities during aging booms, or timberland poised for climate-driven shortages. This is where deep research kills competition. You'll find value where others see risk. Finally, watch who's running the show. REITs led by operators who eat their own dog food, investing significant personal capital and aligned with shareholders? These people don't just manage assets, they build empires. Avoid REITs led by detached executives chasing short-term bonuses. You want operators who sweat in their boots when the numbers slip and celebrate quietly as the asset base grows quietly but relentlessly. Playing REITs right means being obsessed. Obsessive about strategy, financials, management, and market dynamics. Those who half-ass it get shrugged off. But you're not here to watch from the sidelines. Dominate this space with brutal focus and sharp analysis, and you break free from the market chaos. You hold something real, a well-oiled machine growing under your radar while others panic. That's how REITs can beat markets, not by chance, but by cold, calculated mastery. Now get off this video, open that spreadsheet, and start hunting the hidden gems nobody else dares to touch. Your future self won't thank you. They'll damn well salute you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.